You worked so hard to get here.
Late nights, skipped weekends, extra responsibility, proving yourself again and again. And then one day, it finally happens. Your boss calls you in, smiles, and says the words you've been waiting for. We're promoting you! Your salary goes up. Your title sounds better. People congratulate you. It feels like you've won. But what if I told you that for many people, this exact moment is when their financial life actually starts going backward? Not because they failed, not because they made a big mistake, but because no one ever explained the hidden cost of promotions. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you may realize that your promotion didn't make you richer at all. It may have quietly made you poorer. Before we go deeper, if you like honest conversations about money, work, and real-life finances, take a second to like this video and subscribe to It really helps this channel grow and allows us to keep sharing things that most workplaces and schools never talk about. Now let's talk about what really happens after a promotion. Let me tell you a story that might feel very familiar. Imagine someone named Emily. Emily starts her career in her She has an entry-level job, a decent paycheck, and enough free time to breathe. She clocks out, meets friends, goes to the gym, cooks at home, and even saves a little money each month. Life feels balanced. She's not rich, but she's okay. Then, after a few years of solid performance, Emily gets promoted. Her salary jumps. Her responsibilities double. Everyone tells her this is success. At first, Emily is excited. She feels proud of herself. But slowly, her life starts changing in small ways that don't seem dangerous at all. Her new role requires longer hours, so she starts ordering food more often. She needs new clothes because she's now in meetings with senior leadership. She upgrades her phone and laptop because this job demands it. She moves closer to work to save time, which means higher rent. She tells herself she deserves it. And honestly, she does work hard. But a few months later, something strange happens. Even though she earns more, she feels more stressed. Her savings don't grow. Her credit card balance creeps up. She has less time, less energy, and less peace. On paper, Emily is more successful than ever. In real life, she feels stuck. This is not rare. This is incredibly common. One of the biggest reasons promotions make people poorer is lifestyle inflation. When income goes up, spending usually follows. Not because people are careless, but because expectations change. You don't think, I'm going to waste my raise? You think, this is just how someone at my level lives. A slightly nicer apartment, a better car, more convenience, better vacations. These changes feel small individually, but together, they quietly absorb your entire raise. The problem is that lifestyle inflation doesn't come with an endpoint. Every new level becomes the new normal. And once something becomes normal, it's very hard to go backward. Your expenses lock you into needing that higher income just to survive. So even though you earn more, you feel more pressure than before. Another hidden cost is time. Promotions almost never come with more free time. They come with more meetings, more emails, more responsibility, and more stress. Your calendar fills up. Your mental load increases. And time is the most valuable asset you have. When you lose time, you lose options. You lose the ability to build side income, learn new skills, manage your finances properly, or even rest. Many people get promoted right at the stage in life when time flexibility could have changed everything for them financially. Instead of using that energy to build assets, they trade it for a title and a busier schedule. Then there's stress spending. This one is rarely talked about, but it's very real. When you're exhausted, stressed, and mentally drained, you spend differently. You choose convenience over cost. You buy things to feel better. You outsource tasks you used to handle yourself. None of this feels irresponsible. It feels like survival, but over time, it quietly drains your money. Taxes also play a role that surprises a lot of people. As your income increases, a larger portion of your money goes to taxes. Your raise looks great on paper, but your actual take-home pay might not increase as much as you expected. In some cases, benefits phase out, deductions change, and suddenly that promotion doesn't feel nearly as rewarding financially. Another thing people don't expect is how promotions affect identity. Once you have a higher title, there's pressure to maintain it. Stepping back feels like failure. Saying no feels dangerous. You start making decisions based on how they look instead of how they feel. This keeps many people stuck in jobs they've outgrown, even when those jobs are costing them more than they're giving. There's also a big misunderstanding that promotions equal security. Many people believe that moving up makes them safer, but often it does the opposite. Higher roles usually come with higher expectations and less forgiveness. You become more visible, more replaceable than you think, and more dependent on that one income stream. This is where a very important distinction comes in. Income is not the same as wealth. Income is what you earn. Wealth is what you keep and grow. A promotion usually increases income, but it often reduces your ability to build wealth. Why? Because wealth requires margin. Margin of money, margin of time, and margin of energy. Promotions often remove all three. That's why you see so many high-earning professionals living paycheck to paycheck. They look successful from the outside, but they're financially fragile. One job loss, one health issue, one unexpected expense, and everything feels shaky. At FinancialRealityOffical, we talk about this because it's a truth. Most people only learn the hard way. Companies benefit from promotions.
They get more output, more responsibility handled, more loyalty. That doesn't make promotions evil.
It just means you have to think about your own long-term interests, too. So what should you actually do when a promotion is offered? First, look beyond the salary number. Ask yourself how your time will change, how your stress will change, how your expenses might change, and how this role affects your ability to build assets and freedom outside of work. Second, delay lifestyle upgrades. This is one of the most powerful moves you can make. Let your savings grow before you're spending. Just use raises to create breathing room, not just a more expensive life. Third, use promotions as leverage. A higher income can be a tool if you use it intentionally. Pay down debt, invest, build emergency savings, buy back your time if possible. Don't let the promotion control you. Make it work for you. And finally, redefine success for yourself. If success only means climbing higher, you'll always feel behind. If success means control, peace, flexibility, and options, your decisions change completely. Here's the uncomfortable truth. If your promotion costs you your health, your time, your relationships, and your financial margin, it's not a reward, it's a trade, and every trade should be evaluated carefully. I want you to pause and think about your own life. Has your income gone up but your stress increased too? Do you earn more but feel less free? Do you look successful but feel anxious about money? If so, you're not broken, you're not bad with money. You're just playing a game that was never explained properly. If this video gave you a new perspective, please share it with someone who's chasing the next promotion, thinking it will solve everything. And I really want to hear from you. Have you ever taken a promotion that made your life harder instead of better? Leave a comment below and tell your story. Those conversations help more people than you realize. And don't forget to subscribe to Financial Reality Ethical for more honest discussions about money, work, and real financial freedom. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.